This workshop is used to assemble all kinds of accessories. It is equipped with automated assembly equipment to greatly increase production efficiency and provide our customers with enhanced profits. After assembly is completed, our valves will be automatically counted and packed. We are proud to say we are one of the few companies in the industry that possess advanced abilities in product research and development. Every new product needs an innovative mold. For this reason, we utilize high-precision wire-cutting machines and machine tools that can form our molds into exquisite shapes. We possess a wide range of technical production and R&D expertise. Whatever your industry-related need may be, just ask. We can provide the solution.